articles
Okay, good.
A after and another one is like
Start moon. Full moon, half moon idea.
night.
Night
Sleeping
time. Early night is spelling ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ.
That's why our vocabulary students will get.
Okay, ma'am. Next.
ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲಾಕ್ಷರಗಳ ತೋರಣ
ತೋರಣ.
ರಗಸದ ಜವಮಪದ
Madam.
assertive sentences, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamation sentence.
You have to tell under that there is explanation is there. Okay, thank you, madam.
ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಪದಗಳಾದ
ಹಾ.
ಸೋದು ಗೆಲುವು ಸುಂದರ ಕುರುಬ
Thank you, thank you. Very good, madam. Sir, ನೀವು